Things you will learn when doing mathematics. Improper integrals.
Improper integrals is when you're working with infinity. So, for example, what is the area from 0 all the way to negative infinity? So you can't just integrate it from negative infinity, because what does it mean to integrate something from negative infinity to 0? So what you do is you integrate it from, let's call it b, from this point here b. So you're integrating from b to 0 of e to the power of x dx. So integrate it to b, and then later on we take the limit as b tends to negative infinity. So in indefinite integrals is concerned with working with infinity, because we don't really understand what it means to integrate something from negative infinity. So we integrate it from b to 0, and then later on we slide b all the way to negative infinity. We take the limit as b tends to negative infinity. So let's start again here. Integrate it from b to 0, which is from here, from b to 0. Integrate e to the power of x, it would be e to the power of x from b to 0. And then put 0 into here, which will be e to the power of 0. And then take away, put b into here, which will then give you this. Anything to the power of 0 would be 1. So if you're trying to integrate from b to 0, it's given by this thing here. So now, well, don't forget, at the moment, it's the area from b to 0, from b to 0, but our ultimate aim is to work out the area all the way to infinity. So this is our aim, a, not a subscript b, but a. We want to know a all the way to negative infinity. So a is equal to this thing here when you slide b all the way to negative infinity. So slide b all the way to negative infinity. Well, let's try and imagine what happens when b slides all the way to negative infinity. So let's just imagine this to be a really negative big number. Let's say negative 1000, a really big negative number. So what happens when b is negative 1000? It will then give you this thing here. So this thing here, we don't understand what it means to have a power of a negative. So we immediately jump to 1 over e to the power of the positive 1000. Well, if this number is very big, then the denominator would be very big. 1 divided by very big, you can imagine it to be 0. So it's really 1 take away 0. The point is that when b slides all the way to negative very big, this block here will be 0. So in effect, the area is actually what's left, 1. So this area here, as you move all the way to negative infinity, this whole area here equals 1. Okay?